Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone supports Circle to search and that one UI is up to date. This avoids compatibility problems. Next, enable the Edge panel or the accessibility gesture as required, because Circle uses those input paths. Once done, position your finger at the screen edge and press, and hold the configured spot to summon the circle. You feel a subtle haptic feedback when it's ready. This sequence gets you into the tool fast so you can search immediately. You now create the circle over the exact content you want to search, drag to draw, and pay attention to edges to avoid extra clutter. Then refine the selection by pinching to resize or moving the circle so only the target remains. Practice helps you get precise results. After you release, tap the search icon to let Samsung analyze the content and choose Share, Translate, or Copy as needed. This step turns a quick gesture into a useful, focused search result. You finish by reviewing results and tapping any item to open links, apps, or get quick actions. This is where usefulness meets speed. If the search returns irrelevant results, redraw the circle more tightly or switch to manual text selection to improve accuracy. Make sure to clear temporary cache in the app if results seem stale. If Circle becomes unresponsive, restart your phone or reset the circle to search settings. That usually resolves lingering glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.